video. This one's gonna be really short and quick, but I just wanted to pop on here and show you a pair of shoes that I just recently picked up and that I am absolutely loving. It was kind of a spur of the moment purchase because they were on sale, like extremely on sale. I don't think they're at that price anymore, but I will still link them down below, so maybe you guys see them and you want to check them out and you like them, or I'll link some similar pairs down below as well, like a cheaper alternative. But as you can tell by the title of the video, they are a pair of Fendi sock trainers. These are the, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Rococo glitter sock booty from Fendi, and oh my god, I'm just gonna hop right into it. Clearly, I'm not even gonna unbox them or anything. I'm just gonna jump right in and show you guys. These are the shoes. They are beautiful. Like, the glitter really pops. Maybe I can insert a picture of me wearing them because I did wear them last weekend when I went to New York. So yeah, I'll insert that picture now. But yeah, these are so cute. I really like the detailing down the middle here. These are not real shoestrings. You pull them on by like the foot here, like a sock. Sorry. Yeah, you pull them on like a sock and they're really comfortable. I did get a size 38, which translates into like I think a 7.5 or a size 8. It translates to a size 8 in the US. These are Italian shoes sizing. But yeah, these, I really love them. The glitter is what really sold me on them, and then the pink stripe across here, and as well as like the detailing here is the shoestring. Now, when I wore these in New York, mind you, New York, you're always walking, like majority of the time you're walking. These were so comfortable. Like, these are really comfortable. I own a pair of Yeezys, and I honestly don't think those are comfortable for long-term wear. Like, once I was wearing those Yeezys for like a couple hours and just walking, my feet were starting to hurt. And you know, I wore these for like hours and hours straight, and I had no problems with them. Because even with flats, sometimes if you're walking all day, sometimes your feet can start to hurt, but these were really comfortable. But yeah, I'll link them down below. I just wanted, like, the sock booty trend is really in right now, and I really wanted the Balenciaga ones, the glitter ones, but those are like almost $1,000, and I am not about to drop $1,000 on a pair of shoes. These were under $1,000. These were under $500. They were actually under $300. That's how on sale I caught them, and I'm so happy I picked them up when I did because they are not on sale anymore. But I'll link it down below. Maybe I'll put them on so you guys can see. These are like the most comfortable shoes I think that I own. So maybe I can see if I can show you guys what they look like on. Excuse my legs because they're ashy. But yeah, this is the shoe. I know this is not like the best way to view them, but yeah, this is the shoe. They look really cute on, really stylish. I wore them with a pair of joggers and they look really chic and athletic, and I'm not like a tomboy or like a sporty type of person, so when I do wear tennis shoes I want them to be cute, and these are really cute, really sparkly. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my new purchase, and if you're interested I'll link them down below with also, like I said, some alternatives, maybe like some dupes, or any other designers that carry sock booties, which pretty much every designer carries sock booties now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.